My lady and I got pretty drunk, like super early. We're stumbling. I'm like on the summit. You know, that's how we do. We just get fucked up. You know, we'll steal some lady's wallet and we'll go spend it on beer. My lady loves that shit. She's good to me. Oh, I got the hiccups. For show, for real. Na 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 na. For show, for real. I don't know, man. No, I think I'm good to go. Good to go solo. Because I've been on the mic for a long time. Guaranteed to bust a stupid rock. When I'm on the mic, I only rock fresher. Everybody out there, don't talk less about me. Because I'm rocking steady. When I'm on the mic, they can call me Freddy. Because I'm ready to really get down. Your minutes are all expensive, sorry. Get out of my face, paparazzi.